how to fix GCash app our system is currently busy problem. So if you want to fix GCash app our system is currently busy problem, then what you need to do is, first of all, you need to check your internet connection, then head to your Play Store. Now go with the search icon which will be in the bottom and then type GCash. Now tap on the GCash application and make sure that you've updated your GCash, or make sure that you have the latest version using. After that, go back to your home screen and then open up your settings. After opening your settings, you need to scroll down a bit and then go with apps, and here you need to tap on manage apps. From manage apps, you need to go with search and again search for GCash. Once you find GCash, you need to tap on it, go with clear all data which will be on the bottom and then go with OK. After clearing your data or after clearing your cache, you just need simply go and log into your GCash again and it will fix your problem. That's it, and if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.